Please tell us how much of an inspiration Dennis Brown was to your vibes.
Well, Dennis Brown was my idol in music, although I used to have other singers that I love. But why I love Dennis Brown so much, I can remember I went up to a place they call named Bohema nightclub off Maxwell Avenue. Because people was telling me about this singing competition. And them say, you can't sing in youth. When you go up, you go try your luck and things. So I go up there one night and I sing an original song because I used to love to sing original songs. So I sing this original songs and I didn't claim anything. You know, second or third or what have you. Because I didn't know that I must sing songs that the people them knew or the people them know. So when I was coming out, somebody called me, a big man, called me and said, yo, you can't sing, your voice bad. Original song there, tough. It was me, you'd have win. But it's not all about original song. Next time you're coming up here, sing a song where the people them know. So Dennis Brown will have a song named If You Want My Loving. Brand new come out and I hear it play on the radio station. I say, what? That song the bad. So I just, every time I hear the song, you know, I try to sing the part of it. If you want my loving, if you want my true loving. So song get ready now. I know the song now. So I went up to Bohema. I ended up winning. Yeah, with the Dennis Brown because I sing that song so good. People say, boy, you can't sing. And I win. I think I get what, $350. You know, for the winning. And for the final, I didn't win the final because someone there sing I think it's a Diana Ross song. And he won over me. Because, you know, that Diana Ross was huge artist. Yeah, and, you know, but if it was like, no, just for Mary, I sing some Benny Kingman and some different kind of stuff. But, you know, at least I come second. We get another little food again, and I'm going to get $450 for run second. So Dennis Brown, that's how I love him. And I can remember one time gone, I went to a studio. I don't remember where the studio was. And Dennis Brown need a pack of cigarettes because he smoked craving. So he need a pack of cigarettes. So no one wasn't there to buy it for him. And a man come out to me and say, hey, Dennis Brown want a pack of cigarettes. And I'm going to buy it for him. You don't know what can happen. Some of him shine might rub off by you, so go buy it for him. I'm just going to buy the cigarette for him. And anytime him see me, him show me respect. You know. Hey, you see that singer ya? Mush, Everton Blender, mush, my singer. Yeah, man, good youth, man, good soul, you know. Yeah, man. So that's why I say we love him so much.